Hi everyone, welcome back to our SQL Insights series. In this video, we'll walk through an interesting business question. Which stores had the highest sales volume for different product categories in 2023? Let's explore the business logic, SQL solution, and even compare two approaches to solving this problem. Here's the scenario. We have three tables: stores, orders, and products. Stores tells us each store's number, name, and location. Orders records transactions showing which product was sold, when, and at what price. Products gives details about each product, including its category. Our business goal is to find, for each product category, which store had the highest sales volume in 2023. And by sales volume, we mean the total sales amount calculated as shipped quantity multiplied by unit retail price. Our final output should look like this. Let's see the first SQL query solution. First, we use a common table expression CTE to calculate the total sales per store and category. Notice the use of a window function with over partition by instead of a group by. This gives us a running total for each combination of store and category. Next, we use another CTE CTE1, where we apply dense_rank to rank stores by total sales within each category. So, for each category, the store with the highest sales gets rank RK equals 1 inch. Finally, we select only the top rank stores, those with RK equals 1, and sort the results by total sales in descending order. Execute the query and we can get 20 rows. These stores have the highest sales volume for different product categories. Now let's see the second query. In this query, instead of using a window function to calculate total sale, we directly use a group by. This is the more traditional method to get aggregate values. Then, we use row number to assign a unique rank to each store per category based on total sales. And again, we filter for row number RN equals 1, giving us the store with the highest sales per category. Execute the query and we can get the same results. Let's compare the key differences. Both queries give the same result, but they differ in approach. The first query uses a window function to calculate totals and dense rank, to allow multiple stores to tie for top rank. The second query is more efficient in many cases, as it uses group by and returns only one store per category, even if there's a tie. Pro tip: if your business case needs to include ties, use dense rank. Otherwise, stick with row number for a single top result. In this video, we explored how to find which store had the highest sales volume for each product category using SQL. We walked through both a window function-based and a grouped aggregate approach and discussed when to use each. Try running these queries in your own environment and see what insights you can uncover from your sales data. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, and share this channel. Thank you.